Why don't you get yourself a girl? Have some fun once in a while. Oh, what about Francesca from Taverna? She does this one thing, Madonna. I come to think of it, she'd be wasted on you.
Minchia Cesare, smettila. They're here.
Raffaele,
Bernardo.
a pleasure, as always. Quite a machine.
It's a long drive from Palermo.
Well, French should meet in person.
Who is that?
Baron Fontanella owns most of everything around here. My uncle helps him out from time to time.
Isabella. Come. Greet our guests.
And him?
His son, Gennaro. Only thing he loves more than money is himself. Here he comes.
I have an important job for you two, so listen. It's in the Don's interest for Isabella to spend some time with the Baron's boy. He wants to see the old temple on the coast. You're to take them there. Make sure he keeps his hands to himself, eh?
As if the coglione has it in him to make a move.
The Don is counting on this going well, Cesare. Be nice.
Ever ridden in an automobile? It's quite a thrill on a beautiful day like this.
I was hoping to take my horse. Stretch your legs.
Her loss. I don't mind driving. You must be tired from the journey.
Not tired enough to trust you behind the wheel.
I better take a horse to keep an eye on her. Meet us at the back gate. If Gennaro can get this thing started.
Keep an eye on me. You'll be lucky if you can keep up. Let's leave them to it and get their horses ready. They could be a while.
Merda! You want me to show you how it's done?
I hope you don't mind missing out on the drive.
And be stuck with us too. I'd much sooner ride. And I know I'll prefer the company.
Not much of a compliment, but I'll take it.
Your father, he's really putting on a show.
He still bends the knee like everyone else.
Why does he care so much?
Oh, didn't you know? The Baron owns this land. The great Don Torrisi is just his tenant. Ciao, Gaspare.
Buongiorno! Are you taking the horses out?
Gio Salva and one other. For Enzo.
Stepping up in the world, eh, Caruso? Take your pick.
All right. Choose a horse and we can get going. Here they come. Idiota, you're scared the horses.
They need to get used to it. Let's go, Gennaro. We'll meet you at the ruins. You scared of a little speed? Let me see.
The sooner we get out of here, the better. Tino's watching me like a hawk.
What's his problem?
He's always trying to cash me out, get me in trouble with my father.
Get you in trouble? Why bother when Cesare is always knee-deep in it?
Cesare keeps him busy, that's for sure. But Tino likes to be the one whispering in my father's ear. No one's safe around him.
This outing with the Baron's boy. Why is it so important to your father?
He has plans. He wants me to marry Gennaro. If he can convince the Baron to accept the Gabalotto's daughter, of course.
You and Gennaro? That's,
A nightmare. My life would be over.
Nah, he can't do this to you.
He can, and he will. It's all he ever wanted from me.
What about what you want?
Ah, funny. That has never come up. Is that Valerio? Up ahead.
Ciao. Off hunting.
Get me out while Fontanella's around. Cesare says you're headed to the old ruins.
My father wants us to entertain Gennaro.
Then you must entertain him. You keep an eye out, Caruso. Stay away from the mountains. The lawless men up in those valleys would kill for a car like that.
We will. Don't worry.
We used to visit the ruins all the time when my mother was alive. When we were a family. Now I have to beg my father just to leave the house.
Maybe he just wants to keep you safe.
Or keep me close. Or he can control me. Last summer, I told him I wanted to study on the mainland, in Napoli. He just about smashed every glass in the house.
Enzo, come help me with this.
Something wrong with it?
No, just thought I'd enjoy the view. Let the fleas burrow in nice and deep.
Luckily you have me. I think I fixed it. But the engine needs starting up. Enzo, you're always cranking your own handle. Come give this one a try.
Signore, this car is incredible. May I take a closer look?
You can see very well from there.
There's no need to be rude. Stronzo.
See that, Gennaro? The farmhand managed it.
Just get in. Let's get out of here.
Oh, Don Ammazzari!
Cosa inutili. He never thinks about anyone but himself.
Let's go this way. Take the scenic route.
Good idea.
Imagine a life stuck with him. You at least can decide who you marry. My future is bound in service to my father.
We do not always get to choose what we do. Isn't that what you told me?
What happened to choosing who we are? There is more to this life than duty, Enzo.
Buongiorno, Isabella.
Buongiorno, father.
It's a fine day for a dance. Just
No. Yes, Enzo is my chaperone.
Is that so? I haven't seen you for confession lately.
Sorry, father. I've had some things on my mind.
All the more reason to clear your conscience. Send my regards to your father.
Didn't seem too happy about us being alone.
Ah, the respectable men of the valley are rarely pleased to see me doing things that I enjoy. I'm used to it. You're not like the others, though.
I'm not respectable.
No, I mean, you talk to me like I'm a person.
Maybe I know what it's like, meet a friend.
Maybe that's it. Let's take the path through the mountains. I haven't been that way in a long time.
But Valerio said...
Race you there? Loser has to ride back with Gennaro.
Hey!
Hey! Did I just become the Fazio champion?
And made it look easy. Where did you learn to ride like that?
A lot of practice. Not much else to do around here. Looking forward to your ride with Gennaro.
You were serious about that?
Well, let's forget the bet. Doubt Cesare would give up his spot in the car anyway.
Sounds like you want to ride it with me again.
What if I do? It's been good to get out like this. With someone I can talk to. I wish it could always be this way.
Maybe it can.
We're getting close. This is the way we come up with my mother. She loved it up here.
What happened to her?
She was sick for a long time. Even on her worst days, she'd lift herself out of bed to come here.
So she was strong-willed. Like you.
She was. And she died. Everything changed. My father hasn't been the same since.
I'm sorry. Really.
Take a right here. I want to show you something. My mother was an artist. She would paint the ruins up here, from this overlook. This is why I brought my camera. About time I took a photograph of this place. Have you ever used one of these before?
No. Never seen one up close.
Here, why don't you take it?
Are you sure?
Just point it at the ruins and look down into the lens. You might need to play with the focus, like this. And you can change how much light you let in, just here. Oh, sorry.
Don't be.
Well, that's all there is to it. When you're ready, press the button. That's it. Once it's ready, I'll show it to you.
Hope it turns out good.
If not, we'll just have to practice some more together. Peaceful, isn't it?
It was.
We better catch up with them. For a beginner, you are a natural with the camera. If you want, you can borrow it. Plenty of places I haven't taken photos of yet.
What do you do with them?
The best ones go in my journal. I've read all about the world. America, England. But the Valley Dorata is like nowhere else. Thought I would make my own record of this place.
I'd like to read that.
Help me take more photographs. Maybe you can. Almost there. It's been nice spending time with you, Enzo.
It has.
Things have been different since you showed up. Better. I'm glad you found your way to us.
Me too.
Here we are.
Now you're just being dramatic. You took your time.
The temple's been here for more than 2,000 years. It isn't going anywhere.
A girl with a camera. Whatever next.
I don't know, Gennaro. A boy with manners.
It's not what I... Let's start again, eh? Why don't you tell me about your photographs while we take a look around? You boys watch the car while we're gone, huh?
Yeah, don't worry. We'll take a good care of her.
Shouldn't we go with them?
Trust me. She can look after herself with that one. You want to take her for a ride?
So Gennaro trusts you behind the wheels now? You two must have really hit it off.
Fuck Gennaro. Well, he can go tell his daddy. Hey, besides, I'm not driving. You are.
Fanculo. If you show me what to do.
There you go. Let's see how you handle it, mine boy.
Are you sure that's hunters?
Trust me, I know this place. They love chasing birds around here. Just keep driving. Isabella, minchia! Better get over there. Left, Enzo, go! Head to the temple. Minchia! Bandits! Anything happens to them, we're dead! Amori! Bring them to me! Kill anyone who gets in your way! Isabella!
Put him up in front.
Oh, yeah, my father will have you.
Testa di minchia! Puttana!
Let's go! Enzo! We can't let them get away! Get in! I drive. You shoot.
Better hope you're a fast learner.
Catch up to them. Go, go! Messina's a dead man. He thinks he can kidnap my cousin. Ah! The car! Fuck the car! Ah! Hey! You have to kill us before my army gets the chance. The way they just showed up, it's like they planned it. Can't take a shit on him without one of these bastards jumping out from behind the tree. I'll kill them! No, Cesare! You need Isabella! Fire! Watch out! Accident! How should I know? Picchi puttana! Cesare, take the wheel! What? Just do it! I'm going for the horse! Better man! Forza! Hey! Stop the car, Messina! Or I'm coming down there!
Enzo!
Kill him! No! All right! Let's be down!
Enzo!
Get rid of him! What are you doing? The driver! Get the driver! Shut up!
Enzo!
Isabella. You're right.
Enzo.
You're right. Isabella, va bene?
They took Gennaro.
You both need to go back. But what about you? I'm going after them. I need to take you home.
No.
You know he's right. What the fuck are you doing? What? You're gonna get yourself killed for that asshole. I need to make this right. Don't do anything stupid, all right? I'll be back with Luca and the others. Found you.
Don't make it any worse for yourself.
Look, kidnapper. I've heard enough of his whining. Aye! Muoviti!
This was meant to be easy. You pick up the boy and hold him till your man gets what he wants.
The plan stays the same. We hold the little coglione until Fontanella falls.
But there's a problem.
The girl that was with him is Don Torrisi's daughter. First light is gonna send a man. Whole area will be crawling with them. By then we need to be gone with the kid.
We could leave him here.
Until we see someone, the kid stays with us.
Veda Matri, I thought you would be long gone. Hey, are you all right? What do you think? They could have killed me. Thank God. Let's get out of here.
Follow me and stay close.
Beating me like an animal. So they start cutting off my fingers and my father didn't pay.
It wouldn't have come to that.
Thank you. I really thought I'd die here. Is that the ransom note? How much were they asking?
5,000 lire.
Scoundrels. I'm worth at least double.
There's a way out over there. Let's go. Oh, you all right? We need to go, come on. Gennaro, look at me.
You again. The kid stays with me. Once I'm done with you, we're gone. Then I get paid.
I wouldn't count that gold just yet. Come on. Bravo.
Get out of your depth, boy! Empty.
I thought you were a dead man. Thank you.
Let's find you a horse and get back.
Pezzo di merda.
Okay, listen. Messina sometimes camps by the old castello this time of year. We start there. He'll know we're coming, so stay alert. And we don't come back without the boy, eh?
You put the rest of those bastards in the ground. Messina, you bring back to me alive. Nobody touches my daughter. This he'll learn before his time is up.
Okay.
Hey.
Gennaro! Boy! What did those thugs do? You're hurt, you're hurt!
I'm all right, father. Got some bruises.
What about Messina and his gang?
They won't be a problem anymore.
I trust you will handle matters from here, Bernardo. Come, come, let's go inside.
I counted on you keeping Isabella and Gennaro safe.
It won't happen again.
But you risk your life to make amends. It showed bravery. In his family, loyalty is everything.
I don't know how you did it. This could have gone very differently.